Did you know that every single second, millions of emails are sent, videos are streamed, and websites are accessed all over the world? This might sound like magic, but it's all thanks to the internet, a complex and fascinating network connecting billions of devices. Think of it like a global highway system, but instead of cars, it's data traveling at lightning speed. In this digital age, understanding how the internet works is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. We'll break down the seemingly complex world of internet communication into bite-sized pieces, making it easy for anyone to grasp. From network interfaces and IP addresses to the OSI model and internet protocols, we'll demystify the magic behind the internet. Get ready to dive deep into the world of bits and bytes as we explore the fascinating workings of the internet together. By the end of this journey, you'll have a solid understanding of how data travels the globe, connecting people and information like never before. Let's get started. Imagine trying to send a letter without an address. It would never reach its destination. Similarly, every device connected to the internet needs a unique identifier, and that's where IP addresses come in. An IP address is like a digital home address for your computer or smartphone, allowing it to send and receive data on the internet. But how does your device get this address? That's where network interfaces come in. These are specialized hardware components like your Wi-Fi card or Ethernet port that act as a bridge between your device and the vast network of the internet. They enable your device to connect to other devices and access the online world. Finally, there's DNS, or Domain Name System, which acts like the internet's phone book. It translates human-readable website names like google.com, into their corresponding IP addresses, allowing your browser to find and connect to the correct server. These components work together seamlessly, ensuring that data flows smoothly across the internet and reaches its intended destination. The internet might seem like a vast and chaotic place, but beneath the surface lies a well-defined structure that ensures data transmission is efficient and reliable. This is where the OSI model comes in. Imagine sending a postcard. You write your message, address it, put on a stamp, and drop it in the mailbox. The postal service takes care of the rest, transporting your card through various sorting centers until it reaches its destination. The OSI model works similarly, dividing the complex task of data transmission into 7 distinct layers. Each layer has a specific function, like addressing, routing, or error checking, and they work together seamlessly to ensure your data reaches its destination intact. For example, the transport layer ensures reliable data delivery, while the network layer handles the routing of data packets across the internet. Think of it like a factory assembly line, where each layer adds a specific component to the final product. By breaking down the process into smaller, more manageable tasks, the OSI model makes data transmission more efficient and less prone to errors. Every time you browse the web, check your email, or stream a video, a complex dance takes place between your device, the client, and powerful computers called servers. It's like ordering food online. You, the client, browse the menu, select your meal, and send your order to the restaurant, the server. The server receives your request, prepares your order, and sends it back to you. Your web browser then interprets this data and displays the web page you requested. This entire process, from sending the request to receiving the response, happens in a matter of milliseconds, making it seem instantaneous. This client-server model is the foundation of how we interact with the internet. It allows us to access a vast amount of information and services hosted on servers all over the world, making the internet a truly global platform for communication and collaboration. Section 5. Internet Protocols in Action. The Rules of the Road. Just like traffic rules ensure smooth traffic flow, internet protocols are a set of rules that govern how data is transmitted and received on the internet. These protocols ensure that devices from different manufacturers and networks can communicate with each other seamlessly, regardless of their location or underlying technology. One of the most important protocols is TCP/IP, which acts as the language of the internet. It defines how data is packetized, addressed, and routed across the network. Other protocols like HTTP and HTTPS govern how web browsers and servers interact, ensuring secure and reliable communication for online transactions and sensitive information. These protocols work behind the scenes, invisible to the average user, but they are essential for the internet's functionality. They are the unsung heroes of the digital age, ensuring that we can connect, communicate, and collaborate online without even thinking about the complex processes happening behind the scenes. Section 6. Security and Emerging Technologies, Safeguarding the Digital Highway. As our reliance on the internet grows, so does the importance of online security. Just like we lock our doors and install security systems in our homes, we need to protect our digital lives from cyber threats. Firewalls act like digital gatekeepers, monitoring incoming and outgoing network traffic and blocking any suspicious activity. Encryption scrambles data, making it unreadable to unauthorized individuals and ensuring secure online transactions and communication. Meanwhile, the internet is evolving, with new technologies emerging all the time. Cloud computing allows us to access vast computing resources over the internet, while CDNs or content delivery networks bring content closer to users, improving website loading times and overall internet experience. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is connecting everyday objects to the internet, from smart thermostats to self-driving cars, creating a more world. These advancements enhance our online experience while also presenting new challenges in terms of security and privacy. As we embrace these technologies, it's crucial to prioritize online safety, adopt strong passwords, be wary of phishing scams, and stay informed about the latest security threats. Section 7. Challenges and Innovations, the Road Ahead. Despite its remarkable capabilities, the internet faces ongoing challenges. Scalability remains a concern as more devices come online, demanding ever-increasing bandwidth and processing power. Latency, the delay in data transmission, can impact real-time applications like online gaming and video conferencing, requiring innovative solutions to reduce delays. However, the future of the internet is bright with innovation. Researchers are constantly developing new technologies to address these challenges, from faster network infrastructure and advanced routing protocols to artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms that optimize data transmission and security. Imagine a future with lightning-fast internet speeds, seamless connectivity, and personalized online experiences tailored to our individual needs. The internet has come a long way since its inception, and its evolution is far. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, the internet will undoubtedly continue to shape our world in profound. Section 8. The Power of Connection, Your Digital Footprint. Every click, every search, every interaction we make online leaves behind a trail of digital breadcrumbs, collectively known as our digital footprint. This footprint can reveal a surprising amount of information about us, from our interests and preferences to our location and online behavior. While the internet offers incredible opportunities for connection and communication, it's crucial to be mindful of our digital footprint. Just as we wouldn't want our personal information plastered on billboards, we should strive to manage our online presence responsibly. This includes being aware of privacy settings on social media, thinking twice before sharing sensitive information online, and regularly reviewing our online accounts for any suspicious activity. By being conscious of our digital footprint, we can navigate the online world more safely and responsibly. Remember, the internet is a powerful tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. It's up to us to use it wisely and ethically, ensuring that it remains a positive force for progress and innovation. Section 9. Call to Action. Explore, learn, and connect. Congratulations! You've completed this crash course on how computers work on the internet. From network interfaces and IP addresses to the OSI model and internet protocols, you've gained a solid understanding of the complex processes that occur behind the scenes every time you go online. But this is just the beginning. The internet is a vast, evolving landscape with new technologies and discoveries emerging all the time. Don't stop here, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep connecting with the world around you. Share this newfound knowledge with your friends and family, engage in discussions about online safety and privacy, and stay curious about the future of the internet. Together, we can create a more informed, connected, and responsible digital world for generations to come.